There will be two pipes in the hydraulic broomer machine. One is inlet pipe and other one is the outlet pipe. First of all, you have to connect the tractor to the tractor attachment by the pin given in our machine which is shown. Then after you have to connect the inlet pipe with hydraulic valve given on the back of the tractor unit as shown in the video. Now you have to connect the outlet pipe from the hydraulic motor to the tractor unit with the given fittings. For the outlet port is situated below the driver's seat or near the gearbox or the gear level situated. You have to firmly tight all the nuts so there will be no leakage of hydraulic oil from the ports. Now, before starting the machine, we have to check basic things such as oil level on the gear hydraulic tank. First of all, from the brush level handle on both the sides, we have to adjust the brush like that it touches the ground so it can clean easily. Then after, you have to check the waste collecting bucket. You have to check that it will not rub the ground. If it rubs the ground, you can set machine by setting screw on the tractor as shown. Now you are ready to go. Now the operator has to open the hydraulic valve to operator hydraulic broomer machine. As the tractor acceleration increases or decreases, the brush speed increases or decreases, which is depend on tractor operator. Now you are good to go to clean the roads. When the bucket is full by dust, leaves or any other materials, then you have to empty the bucket for that. You have to take tractor aside on the road and put the legs down from the broomer on both sides and fit the pin. As you adjust the height by closing of lever on the tractor. Now for disposing of the waste, operate the hydraulic single lever valve and the cylinder works and all the dust fall on the land. Now you move in back the position of bucket and lift the legs up and good to go to clean the road once again. For machine which are having side brush unit, you have to adjust the brush by the given telescope as well as tilting adjustment on the road which helps in better cleaning, and it should move in counterclockwise direction. So it can collect the roadside divider dust and all that. In water spraying system attachment, there are 20 sets of nozzles provided in the machine. First of all, you have to fill up the water tank with 80 to 100 liters of water. Then after, you have to open the valve on the bottom of the tank and water reaches to the pump. Then only you have give the pump wires on the tractor battery or on the connector. One cable on positive and other with negative terminal on the tractor. The pump is controlled by the switch given on the tractor unit, which results in spraying of mist water on the road during road cleaning operation and suppresses the dust on the road during cleaning.